Jab, upper hook. Boom, boom, boom. No, timing. Another 1 minute. Let's go. Ano yung second combination natin? Jab, then upper hook, right? Ito yung kanina lang. Dagdagan ko siya ng counter. So pag kumontrol ako, Clarence, you do slip or evade. Say, slip? No, slip here. Slip, then counter with the hook. Bang! Nakuha. Let's try from the top. Jab, bang! Bang, bang, bang! Boom! Bang! Nakuha. One more. Bang! Oh! Bang, bang, bang! Boom! Bang! Okay? Dagdagan nyo yung suntok na straight, evade, then power hook. Okay, let's go! Nakuha. Yun, go, keep going. Kapag kinounter ko siya dito ng, okay, overhand, open, so, boom. No. So, boom, okay? Pag sa baba ako tumukot, doon yung uppercut. One to hook, bang, 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 boom, boom. No, yung hook. Go, go. Bang, 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 boom, boom. You need to move forward. Okay, go. One to hook, boom, boom, kick, up. Okay? Yun, wala mo nang sipa ngayon, okay? So, hook lang. So, 1, 2, hook, boom, boom. Okay, kanan doon, then power hook. Okay, let's go. Same combination, which is 1, 2, hook, right? Go. 1, 2, hook. I counter here, then you hook. Just add now, isang suntok sa straight. Okay, so 1, 2, hook, boom, bang, bang. Then you go under. Under here, but ang under sa akin, under which papasok na doon yung paa. Okay, pag sinabi kong wave, doon na. No. Wave is just the first one. Dito. Under, pasok. Pasok, then boom. Okay? So from the top, so slow muna tayo din. 1, 2, hook. I counter. Bam, bam, bananaw. No. You don't go there. Okay, here. Go. 1, 2, hook. Boom. Bang, bang. Evade. Hook. Bang, bang, boom. Bang, bang, bang. Boom! Okay? So try to do a little bit faster para makatotohanan. Okay? Dagdagan nyo lang ng straight, then pag-counter ko ng hook, evade, then counter again. So, progressive tayo. Let's go! Kanina, dito tayo nag-tap, right? Dito tayo nag-tap. Ngayon, ang magta-tap ako dito sa may baba. Okay? Or doon. This time only, I will be using this one. Okay? So, from jab, upper hook straight. Jab, upper hook straight. Tap! Then uppercut again. Bam! Okay, let's try to do that a little bit faster. So, boom, bam! Do this for 1 minute. Then after that, ilas natin yung isa. Nakuha? Clip, clip. Then do uppercut. Let's go! The same combination. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, tap. Upper right. Just add hook. Straight. Now, wait. Huwag masyadong malawak, steady lang. Unang, bang, then kanan, labas ka dito now. I want you to go out. Under. Then counter. Boom. Or kick. Bang, 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 boom. Bang, bang, bang. Boom. Boom. Now, yung pag-work ninyo, huwag masyadong mataas. Doon lang. Boom, boom. Okay? After this one, 1 minute break, then we go with the kick. Let's go! Ito. When you do your low kick, huwag nakaganon yung paa. Okay, sayang, hindi ako makademonstrate ng mag. Be sure na medyo nakaganon ng konti. Kasi pag ganon, tapos ganon, mahirap. Okay, medyo nakaganon ng konti. Boom. Okay, yung sabi ko na low kick, hindi yung nakaganon ha. Yung iba kasi ginagawa nila, gumaganon sila, walang lakas yun. Okay, now, the same combination, we will just add hook. Observe. Bang, bang, boom, boom. Okay, so pag kamabang doon, balik doon, boom. Okay, low kick, lapas sa likod, power hook. Hindi, dapat yung low kick ninyo, atras, bago kayo mag-hook. Bang! Okay, let's try to do that. Try niyong bilisan. Pagkatapos ng isa, isa naman. So be sure, yung last na ginawa natin, huwag natin kalimutan. So the same combination. Back, back, boom, boom! Aabanti yan for sure, tama? So ang gagawin natin, sige, abanti ka lang. Boom, 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 then pivot. Okay, so, bang, bang, boom, 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 then pivot. Ganun lang muna, just to give way lang for the second progressive. Okay, so, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung pag-atras natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, then pivot. Okay? Yung pag-atras niyan sa paa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. Alright, let's go. Yan. Yung apat na suntok na yon, kapag nag-backfire yung kalaro, okay, hindi siya tuloy na offensive. Okay? So, pagpa-atras kayo doon. Kasi, try natin na i-imagine na kapag sinuntok kita dito, sinuntok kita at sinipak kita doon. Pag alam, boom! Magka-counter yan. So, yung iba, instead na ganun na lang ginagawa nila, why not throw pang, 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 din back bago kayo sumipak. Okay? Now, for the second combination, nagawa niyo sa pads kanina ito, madali lang siya. Just throw your one, kick here, then boom! Okay? Awang gusto ko yung kanan, hindi yung ganun. Lapit ka doon. Okay, so da. Boom, boom, boom! Abante. Okay, try to penetrate. Yan, ganun lang muna din dagdagan after. 1 minute lang for that. Palitan. Let's go! Dapat may paganon-ganon tayo. Nag-abante siya, ni-stop niya, pag-counter siya, din counter siya. Ganon. Kaya tinawag na technical sparring. Ito ang tinatawag nila isang technical sparring. Okay, let's go guys. Go. Okay, tignan nyo ah. Okay, go. Pang, pang, pang. Pang, pang. Okay, umabante siya. Ang counter ni Clarence is you do hook straight. Then follow up with left. Okay? So, ganun pa rin ang kombinasyon natin. Dagdagan lang siya ng isang counter from Sarah. Okay? Okay? Tignan natin ha. Yung ganung kombinasyon, dagdagan lang natin. Okay? Slow. 1, 2, 3. Banti. Hook. Straight. Shuffle. Pagka-shuffle niya, balik ka sa tamang pwesto mo. Yap. Suntok ka din, Sarah, ng straight. Hook. No. Ganun lang. Bigyan mo lang siya target. Then, shuffle ka ng kaliwa. Okay? Kinounter niya doon, counterin din niya ng isang last. Okay? So ito ang drill na ito, kung hindi nyo magawa ito, ganito lang yan. Straight, bang, shuffle, bang. Ako naman, straight, shuffle. Hindi lang makakick. Balian, go. Para mas malaki. Gawin nyo lang. Tingnan nyo. Okay, go. Straight, shuffle, go. Straight, shuffle. Okay, now, yung kombinasyon natin, let's go. Jump, bang, bang. Bamsi, bang, bang, shuffle, straight. Bang! Straight, tapos counter ka din. Okay, let's go! Malapit na tayo. Sarah, halika rito. Okay, kapag yung kalaro is maganda yung block, yung parang si Cloty. Okay, nagano siya palagi. Okay, boom, despite this one. Bang, bang. Power. Boom! 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 Sorry. Okay, so, boom, bang, bang, bang. Nakita niyo pag-hawi? Hawiin niyo dyan. Okay, right hook. After this one, isang left hook, then followed by looking. Okay? So try to do that. Yung isa nakaganon lang. Okay, block. Hindi mo ma-open talaga sa ulo kasi patigas off ha. Kahit ganon, ayaw pa din. Okay, boom, bang, boom. Okay? Ganon lang. Okay, let's try to do that. 1 minute, madali lang yan. Pag-suntok siya, jump, inside low kick, bang! Dagdag siya ng bang! Now, aabante ako, aatras siya. Pero pag atras niya, ang gagawin niya doon, atras ka, paggawa siya ng hook straight. Bang! Then shuffle with left. Bang! Okay, high kick. Okay, from the top. So, bang! Atras. Bang! Then go, shuffle. Bang! So, ikaw, dapat abantihin mo siya para mapatras ng konti. Pagka umatras, ang gusto ko gawin ninyo is mag-hook kayo. Okay, slow. 1, 2, 3. Atras up. Bang! Shuffle. Boom! Nakuha? Ang gamit nito, we do not do like this for the meantime. So, check. Use your Dutch block. You kick now. Go. Bang! Kick. High. Step. Hard. Go. Okay. Bang! Alright, let's go. Medyo mas madami ito, pero tiisin na lang. Sometimes, ginagawa natin ito para maging muscle memory na lang. Pero sa real combat, may apply lang natin 3 or 4 na kombinasyon. So, normally, ang ginagawa natin, parang 3 combination or 2 combination pinaghalo lang natin para maging muscle memory. Okay, so observe. Dito Okay, let's go. So as she jumps, bang, straight, roundhouse, high kick. Okay, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tip. 5, kick here. 6. Pag 6, nandun na sa southpaw. Okay, 6. Bang, southpaw. Aabanti ako. Mag-jump siya. Jump. Mag-aabanti ako, mag-jump, steady ka lang. Go! Boom! Then high kick again. Bam! Okay? So may southpaw. Okay, from the top. Okay? 1, 2, bam! Boom! Keep! Bam! Okay? Pahaba. Boom. Pahaba. Okay? So, isang jab, itong jab na ito parang tulak lang, then followed by your power left na sipa sa ulo. Okay? This will be the last, and after this one, partner play or sparring tayo. Okay, let's go!
Go! Time!
Speed ang.
Sige lang.
Speed.
Control lang din sa akin.
Speed. Adagsan mo na eh.
Yellow po na lang.
Speed.
Ay, control lang. Dinadaan.
Tulong. Ado nga mga napipig sa kanin.
Body na lang.
Control.
Body control po lang.
Awan ti ulo pa yung balyan. Kaya bandiya, mating ko.
Okay, papatin. Adik lang
Okay.
muna. Sige, abanti ka. Yan.
Bilang.
Parehas ka nga nangandong na po. Ito lang, go.
Dala kamatwan.
Yan, sige. Basta sige, kung may sparring guys. Basta nga. Nice.
Stephen John Mark.
Nice
Balian.
one.
Go, go, go.
Oh, nagina na di ba yan?
Saira. Yanangan lang. Ivy. Ito mo na, si Kasa, MJ. MJ, Saira.
Ito.
Pagsusulong din MJ. Okay lang, Delta.
Ayun na.
MJ. Ready ka.
Kagami.
Macho, gini. Ayaw, hindi ko ah.
May matitinda niya.
Combination, balian. Combination.
Speed sparring na yan, bro.
Yes. Good. Mga pa mesa gamit. May iwan ako.
Time.
Nice one.
Macho.
Good.
A minute, guys.
Gusto ko makita lang yung mga ano. Yes, go. Sayang di oras.
Thank you, Oras.
Basket corner. Away, good. Basket corner.
Time.
Alright,
Thank you very much.
Ay, go, bantayan nyo guys. Go. Yes, break.
Punching when you're outside.
Nagdinong para kayo sa akin.
Enough.
Pakikang tayo, Jayman.
Time.
Nice job.
Good job.
Oh, yan, kasi lang. Ano, Sam?
Mato kami.
Puntos ka lang, puntos.
Mato talaga.
Okay, good. Ganun lang. 2 times, 1 time, straight. Straight to the body. Parang yung, ano lang, 1 punch. Boom! Good! Ay. Okay, good. Yeah. Yalos mo na turning long as you backward.
Manchu. John Mark.
Basta tapos ko niya.
Manchu.
Good.
Nakatunay.
Tunay. Isiring mo dyan yung tiyabaga.
Tumander kayo, bro.
Boom. Okay, good. Now you do bullet kicks agad. Go. Go. Oh!
Guys, don't turn your back at your opponent. Time.
Alright, good job. Nice one.
Manchu.
Sa taekwondo nga po. Go. Naluluto, turning side. Ayan. tam kawas sa dagunay. Distance lang, speed lang. Hook, hook, headshot, boom! Oy. Okay, turning side. What? As you back. Okay, go. Back to headshot. Go. Headshot. Oh, good. Go back please, go.
No back fist, guys.
Now, balik ulit sa headshot. Connor. Good. Okay lang yun. Balik tatay, kapitaban mo. Good. Okay, turning side again. Go. Boom. Oy, good.
5 seconds.
Okay, go. 2 times. Boom.
Nice.
Boom.
Nice one.
Cyril.
2 times nga kanigit, ha? Yes, good. Mabintuang. Oh, right.
Pasya lang color.
Yan, sige. Okay, good. Okay. Yan, sabay mo. Yun. Bigla nga headshot ka. Nalipatan yung headshot mo. Pang disforma lang.
Ulitan.
Disforma lang ba?
5,
Okay,
4. Time.
Nice.
1 minute, guys.
That's it.
Inside.
Inside.
Back. Ima, turn side. Up. Oy.
Turning side.
Timing mo. Okay.
Gana.
Oh!
Time.
Nice one. Good. Go. Okay. Go. Dito, gitna. Go. Good. Go. Hook, Loki.
Fight.
May 30 minutes tayo. Check lang, Sarah. Check. Huwag ka yan. Check lang. Kanilitan. Masa na kasi nakalitan. Pagkatros ka. Check lang. Okay, good. Yan. Jump man na nga kasi. Jump ka sa tukot. Taligid man yung direct.
Time. Stop.
1 minute ito, push. Wag mo tayo style. Yes. Tikpakin muna tayo kasi kunti lang. Stop. Yeah, side. Yes, stop it ko ulit. Yes, good. Sige, bumawi ka mo din, Jay.
Pivot.
Good.
Hi!
Lock lang, leg check lang. Leg check lang. Ano masubrahan si Sandra. Giving Sandra. Check lang, leg check. Anigit, pera. Anigit na dua, baba nga to. Yan, sinupukan ko. Para sandali. Anigit na dua lang.
Ready? Cake versus Team Loso.
Nice.
Cake X time!